Here we come to the elevator at the Hotel Fantech and Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated parking garage in Fantech City, formerly the Crown Plaza Hotel parking garage. ThyssenKrupp Signa 4. This used to be a Dover elevator. The Crown Plaza Hotel actually did this modernization in 2011. In 2015, the Crown Plaza Hotel closed, and Hotel Fantech and Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated modernized their elevators when they opened in 2015. But the Crown Plaza Hotel did the modernization on these elevators. Or this elevator in this case, excuse me. There's only one elevator in this parking garage. Anyways, let's go up to P7. It's got the Dover buzz. It's a big elevator too, but there's only one of them. This is the only elevator in the whole parking garage. Let's go back down to the lobby. This elevator doesn't open up in the hotel, it just opened up to the street. The hotel's across the street from this parking garage. And that's it.